Okay, this is Dave Neal with his 1981 cm400 with Harley 883 exhaust on it. Before I let you hear what it sounds like, I'm just going to tell you, okay, honestly, 883 exhaust will fit. But when you're removing your stock exhaust, you're going to have to wiggle them off a bit. Okay, but when you put these exhaust on, you'll have to angle these back. You'll have to use a standard bolt to the 883 exhaust, and then you'll have to angle these pieces back. You'll have to remove your pegs, angle these little pieces back, and then run the bolt through them. Well, I explained that wrong. You'll have to take this all off. You'll have to take the peg mount off, the peg, and then you'll have to bolt it straight to here. Bolt it straight to the exhaust. Then you want to leave yourself just enough slack to where you can turn this and play with it, and then you'll bolt it on. Sorry if my explanation ain't the greatest, but here's the bike. She's a little bit of a beater, but hey, sounds great. Here, let me fire up and let you hear it. I think it sounds pretty good, but kind of quiet. The headlight is aftermarket.